Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Ads Manager and verifying your business details. This grants campaign features and billing options. Once done, connect a payment method, credit, PayPal, or invoicing, so ads can run without interruption. Make sure to prepare creative assets now: a vertical 9, 16 video, short headline, and clear CTA. You do this early because ad approval and budget pacing depend on accurate account info and ready creatives. That prevents delays when you launch the first campaign. Next, create a campaign by selecting an objective that matches your goal: awareness, traffic, or conversions, because the platform optimizes delivery differently. Then pick daily or lifetime budget and a bidding strategy like OCPM for conversions or CPC for clicks. This controls cost and pacing. After that, build an ad group with placements and finely tuned audience settings: age, location, interests, plus custom or lookalike lists, so your creative reaches relevant viewers. Make sure to enable optimization events for measurable results. Finally, upload your vertical video. Write concise ad copy, select a CTA, and preview placements to confirm visuals and captions appear correctly. You submit the ad for review and then monitor metrics: impressions, CTR, CPC, conversions, so you can pause or scale quickly. If an ad is rejected, check the rejection reason. Often it's music rights, community policy, or a non-compliant landing page. One key troubleshooting tip: correct the specified issue and resubmit immediately, then test a slightly modified version to avoid repeat rejection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.